Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or turn your passion into a business, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's get started. Number 1. Gig economy opportunities. Number 1 on our list is tapping into the gig economy. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit continue to be go-to options for those seeking flexible work arrangements. The beauty of the gig economy is that it allows individuals to leverage their skills and time on their own terms, making it an excellent option for students, freelancers, or anyone looking to supplement their income. The gig economy is poised for further expansion, with new and innovative platforms set to emerge. With the rise of remote work and the increasing desire for flexible schedules, the gig economy is becoming a cornerstone of the modern workforce. What's exciting about the upcoming year is the anticipated growth in specialized gig platforms. We foresee platforms tailored for specific skills such as graphic design, digital marketing, and even virtual assistants, offering a more targeted approach to freelancing. For those considering entering the gig economy, it's essential to identify your strengths and interests. Are you a skilled graphic designer? A proficient writer? By honing in on your expertise, you can maximize your earning potential in the gig economy. Additionally, keep an eye on emerging platforms and technologies that could present new opportunities. We anticipate a shift towards more sustainable gig work, with an emphasis on fair compensation and benefits for freelancers. The gig economy is evolving, and those who stay informed and adapt to these changes will be best positioned for success in the coming year. Number 2. Virtual assistant services. Moving on to our second lucrative side hustle, virtual assistant services. In an era where businesses are transitioning to virtual operations, the demand for skilled virtual assistants is skyrocketing. If you're someone who is organized, has excellent communication skills, and enjoys multitasking, diving into the world of virtual assistants can open up a world of opportunities. The beauty of virtual assistants is its versatility. As a virtual assistant, you can provide support in various areas such as email management, scheduling, and customer support. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and even busy individuals are seeking reliable virtual assistants to streamline their daily operations. This creates a tremendous opportunity for those looking to capitalize on organizational skills and attention to detail. What's exciting about the virtual assistance landscape is the increasing reliance on remote support. As companies embrace the benefits of a global talent pool, virtual assistants can work with clients from different corners of the world. This not only broadens the scope of potential clients but also allows virtual assistants to explore different industries and niches. To excel in this side hustle, consider building a strong online presence. Create a professional website showcasing your skills, experiences, and the services you offer. Utilize platforms like LinkedIn to connect with potential clients and build a network within the virtual assistants community. Furthermore, staying updated on the latest productivity tools and communication platforms is crucial. Virtual assistants often use tools like Slack, Trello, and Asana to collaborate with clients and manage tasks efficiently. The virtual assistants industry is set to flourish. By positioning yourself as a reliable and skilled virtual assistant, you can turn this side hustle into a fulfilling and profitable long-term venture. Number 3. Content creation. Content creation remains king, and with the digital landscape evolving, there are more opportunities than ever before for those with a creative spark. Whether you're passionate about blogging, podcasting, or creating videos, the avenues to showcase your talent and earn money have multiplied. The key to success in content creation lies in finding your niche. With an abundance of content available online, carving out your unique space is essential. Identify your interests, strengths, and what sets you apart from others in your field. Whether it's a specific genre, style, or perspective, honing in on your niche will not only attract a dedicated audience but also create opportunities for monetization. Platforms like YouTube, Patreon, and Substack continue to be powerful tools for content creators. YouTube remains a video sharing giant, allowing creators to earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise. Patreon provides a platform for creators to connect with their audience on a more personal level, offering exclusive content in exchange for fan support. Substack, on the other hand, is revolutionizing the world of newsletters, enabling writers to monetize their expertise and build a loyal subscriber base. To succeed in content creation, consistency is key. Regularly producing high-quality, engaging content will keep your audience coming back for more. Leverage social media to promote your work and engage with your community. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach and tap into new audiences. As we look forward to the future, the landscape of content creation is dynamic and filled with opportunities. Embrace your creativity, find your niche, and let your content shine. Whether you're sharing knowledge, entertainment, or a unique perspective, the digital world is ready to reward passionate content creators in the coming year. Number 4. Online tutoring. Now, let's explore the thriving landscape of online tutoring, our fourth pick for lucrative side hustles. With the growing demand for online education, online tutoring has evolved into a booming industry, presenting a golden opportunity for those with expertise in academics, languages, or specialized subjects. Platforms such as CheckTutors and Tutor.com have emerged as valuable bridges, connecting knowledgeable individuals with students seeking assistance. One of the key drivers behind the surge in online tutoring is the global shift towards digital learning. As traditional educational models adapt to the digital era, students are increasingly turning to online platforms to supplement their studies. This presents a ripe environment for skilled tutors to make a meaningful impact while also earning a substantial income. Whether you excel in mathematics, science, languages, or any other subject, there's likely a demand for your expertise. Specialized tutoring in areas like coding, music, or exam preparation is also gaining popularity. As a tutor, you have the flexibility to set your own schedule, making it an ideal side hustle for students, professionals, or anyone passionate about sharing knowledge. To succeed in the online tutoring space, it's crucial to leverage technology effectively. Familiarize yourself with virtual learning tools, interactive whiteboards, and video conferencing platforms to create a seamless and engaging learning experience for your students. Building a strong online presence through social media and educational platforms can also help attract a steady stream of students. The online tutoring industry shows no signs of slowing down. Embrace the opportunity to contribute to the educational journey of students worldwide while building a fulfilling and financially rewarding side hustle. Whether you're helping with homework, exam preparation, or language acquisition, online tutoring offers a platform for both personal and professional growth. Number 5. Freelance writing. Now, let's delve into the dynamic world of freelance writing, our fifth pick for profitable side hustles. If you have a way with words, freelance writing could be your ticket to not just expressing creativity but also to a profitable side hustle. In the digital age, where content is king, many companies and websites are in a perpetual search for high-quality written material to engage their audience and enhance their online presence. Freelance writing offers a plethora of opportunities for writers with diverse skills and interests. Whether you specialize in blog posts, articles, copywriting, or technical writing, there's a demand for your unique voice and expertise. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have revolutionized the way businesses connect with freelance writers, providing a convenient and efficient marketplace for writers to showcase their talents and for businesses to find the perfect wordsmith for their needs. What sets freelance writing apart as a side hustle is its flexibility. You have the autonomy to choose the projects that align with your interests and schedule. This flexibility also allows you to explore different industries and niches, enhancing both your skills and your portfolio. For aspiring freelance writers, building a strong online presence is paramount. Create a professional website or blog showcasing your writing samples, testimonials, and areas of expertise. Actively engage in social media platforms to network with potential clients and fellow writers. The demand for high-quality content remains constant, making freelance writing a lucrative and sustainable side hustle. So, if you have a way with words and a passion for storytelling, seize the opportunity to turn your love for writing into a fulfilling and financially rewarding venture. Whether you're crafting persuasive marketing copy or informative blog posts, freelance writing offers a creative outlet with endless possibilities for growth. Number 6. Fitness coaching and online courses. With the increasing emphasis on health and wellness, tapping into this growing industry can not only be personally fulfilling but also a lucrative side hustle. Whether you're a certified personal trainer, a yoga enthusiast, or have expertise in a specific fitness niche, there's an expanding market eager to benefit from your knowledge and guidance. The digital age has paved the way for fitness professionals to extend their reach beyond local gyms and studios. Online platforms like Udemy and Teachable empower fitness enthusiasts to create and sell their courses, providing a convenient way for individuals to access personalized fitness guidance from the comfort of their homes. For certified trainers, creating and selling online courses offers the flexibility to cater to a global audience. This is particularly beneficial for those with specialized expertise, such as strength training, nutrition planning, or specific workout styles. Additionally, offering personalized coaching services, whether one-on-one or through group sessions, allows you to provide tailored guidance to individuals seeking a more interactive fitness experience. Building your brand in the fitness industry requires a strategic approach. Utilize social media platforms to share workout tips, success stories, and snippets of your training philosophy. Establishing a professional website or blog can serve as a hub for your fitness content, testimonials, and course offerings. The demand for accessible and personalized fitness solutions is expected to grow. Seize the opportunity to turn your passion for fitness into a thriving side hustle. Whether you're sculpting bodies through personalized coaching or sharing your expertise through online courses, the fitness industry offers a vast and expanding canvas for those ready to inspire and transform lives. Which side hustle are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And until next time, happy hustling!